Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training system. In this lecture we will discuss about cross contour operation. So first of all we need to object. So we will create object in solid, cylinder. The radius value is 15 and the height value is 35. Okay. Change the view in front and set as a wireframe. So I will create the line here to here. Okay, but you will see the line is created at the center. So select and translate. In y-axis the value is -15. Okay, now select this line, rotate with copy. First of all the angle is 30. You will see. Now I will change the angle 45 and number of object is add. You will see. So I will select 7 number of object. See. Okay. Now change the view shaded front and set the C plane as a front. All objects select. Again rotate. Number of object is 1. Move and the rotation is 90. Okay. Now you will see the object is ready. So I will select machine, lathe, default and stock setup. Set a plane, front, stock with 2 point by end point here and another end point here. Okay. Chokcho. Set the value like width 30, 20, 10 and here the height value is 10, 10 and 10. So parameter with stock and grip length 1. Okay. Okay. See. Now I will select cross contour operation. I will select chain. Okay. Tool. So flatten tool and the value is diameter 1. Holder. Cut parameter. Depth of cut is maximum value 0.5 and in linking parameter the depth is -1. Okay. Now we will check in verify selected operation and just play operation. So you will see the slot. That's why I will cancel this and in geometry add another chain. So right click, add. You will see I will select both chain. Okay. Okay. And regenerate. You will see. Now verify. Play. So you will see here the object is ready. Okay. So I will just close this and change the view, isometric. So this is your cross contour operation. In next lecture we will discuss about phased reel operation. Thank you friends.